It is estimated to affect 16 to 30 people per 1 million in population. Paroxysmal nocturnal haemoglobinuria, PNH, is a very rare and potentially life-threatening condition. Professor Zierlieder is a leading research expert in the very rare hematological disease PNH, which causes the destruction of red blood cells, erythrocytes, in the body. As a result, PNH patients develop anemia, which can become apparent through symptoms including fatigue, dark-colored urine, and a risk of thrombosis. Due to a gene mutation, PNH patients produce red blood cells that lack protective proteins, making them vulnerable to complement-mediated destruction of the cell. This haemolysis leads to the destruction and reduction of red blood cells. Haemoglobin, the red blood pigment, passes into the plasma. There are two types of complement-mediated haemolysis. Intravascular haemolysis. This is triggered by the activation of membrane attack complexes by the C5 protein of the complement cascade. The membrane attack complexes form pores in the red blood cell membranes and thereby destroy the red blood cells in the bloodstream. C3-mediated extravascular haemolysis takes place in the liver and spleen. Fragments of the C3 complement protein, called C3b, are deposited on the cell membranes and tag the affected cells, allowing them to be detected and ingested by phagocytes in the liver and spleen. Intravascular haemolysis can be treated by inhibiting the C5 protein. Newer therapeutic options start higher up in the complement cascade and therefore treat both intra- and extravascular haemolysis. Clinical studies show that inhibiting the C3 protein results in a significant improvement in PNH symptoms. Reduction of anemia, including reduced requirement for transfusions. Fatigue, haemoglobinuria, thrombosis.